Hey friends, welcome back to another cash envelope stuffing. We will be stuffing week 2 of November. If you are new to the channel, I am an Australian cash stuffer and this is Australian money right here. And if you are returning, thank you so much for all the support. Now, in this video, I'll be cash stuffing my wallet, my binders, and my savings challenge. So if you're interested, stick around, but let's get cash stuffing. Okay, so starting off with my wallet. Now you guys will notice that there is a change with the look of the wallet. So I've created these new A7 envelopes that fit this A7 wallet. So spending won't be getting anything. Bubba's spending, which is a new addition to the wallet, won't be getting anything. And the reason why I created this and added this envelope into the wallet is because I've noticed that when we do go out, he does ask for, like chocolates or, toys and stuff. So I do want to just give him an allowance besides his envelope money that is in his binder. So yeah, so that is there. Food shop, I have increased it to $180 because we just need that extra money. Now I'm just thinking, does this 10 fit? Yes, it does. I know a 5 fits in here, and I don't think my 20s can fit straight on. So only 50s and 20s. I just have to okay. Fuel will be getting $60, which will be made up of 2 20s and 2 10 for the week. So I'm just going to maybe just do a little bit of that. Bear with me guys, this is like a new wallet, new envelopes for the wallet, so, and they are like, they do fit the 5 and 10s. So now just do that. So we are done. Takeout will be getting 2 20s. And this is my cards, my receipts, and I've added a coin pouch just for my coins. So yeah, we are done stuffing my wallet. Okay, so on to our bill expense binder, and we will be stuffing Pipeline, and it will be getting $150 like usual. And this envelope is for anything to do with any business expenses. Phone, YouTube, Netflix, and house insurance is fully funded for the year. Household won't be getting anything, but Luna will be getting $10, and that is our 4-legged friend. So we are done stuffing my bill expense binder. Okay, so on to my short-term binder, and we will be stuffing one envelope from here, which is birthdays, and birthdays will be getting its usual $60. So birthday now has 51, 52, 53, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 360 into birthdays. So we are done stuffing my short-term binder. So on to my long-term binder, and if you see a gold heart, for those who are new, it means that the envelopes are fully funded and we don't need to add any more for this year. So we will be going to target envelope, which is an envelope that is for my target expenses. So it will be getting $100 made up of 250s. So now target bills has 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 50, 1,000, 51, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 30, 40. So 1,340, which is such a good amount. And I've updated the trackers, so now I've just what you guys have seen me do is every time I do the envelope, I just put it back in with it at the same time. So Jim will be getting $20. So 120. So Jim now has 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 80, 93, 10, 15. So $315 in my gym envelope, and that is for 2 people's yearly gym membership. So that is done for my long-term binder. Okay, so on to my loves binder, and he will be getting, his envelope will be getting $20, so 20. So now he has 70. His birthday will be getting a 5. So now he has 25, and his birthday is in September next year. So that's what we're saving up for. Beauty will be getting 15. So 10 and a 5. So Beauty now has 20, 35, 45. And this is for his haircuts or anything to do with his beauty, skincare, tanning lotions. Dental will be getting $10. So dental now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 56, 57, 20, 30, 40, 55, 60. So $760 in his dental, and that is for the braces or Invisalign that he wants to get. Clothing will be getting $10. So clothing now has 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Shouts, which is an envelope for him to use to shout his friends' food or his colleagues. So Shouts will be getting 20. So Shouts now has 20, 30, 5, 40. And I love stuffing his envelope and my Bubba's envelope. It just makes me so happy to give them, you know, a little bit of money to play with. So we are done stuffing his binder. Okay, so on to his savings challenge, and we will be adding $130. So 250s, 20 and a 10, so 130. So now in his challenge he has 1,000, 2,000, 1, 2, 3, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 50, 1,000. So 3,000, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 50, 900, 20, 30, 40. Wow. So 3,940 in his savings challenge. We are so close to reaching the $4,000 mark. So let me quickly mark the last 130 for his envelope, and then with my savings challenge we will be adding 160. So 50, 1, 50, 60. So $160. So in her challenge, she now has 1,000, 2,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 56, 57, 58, 59, 50, 1,000, 3,000, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 50, 70, 90, 8, 10, 30, 50, 70, 90, 9, 10, 30, 50, 60. So $3,960, which is so good. I'm so excited to be stuffing the next savings challenge, because I know that obviously we'll be over the $4,000 mark. So we just added 160, so let me cross that one off. So we are done stuffing our his and her 5K challenge. Okay, so on to my YouChoose challenge, and I'll leave a big shout out to those who commented. So there was 15 of you guys, which I am so appreciated of. And that will mean that I need to stuff $30. So 20 and a 10, so 30. So now we have 1,000, 51, 52, 53, 54, 20, 40, 60, 50, 60. So $1,463, which is amazing that we are there, nearly halfway to 1,005. So that is amazing. And before I go, YouChoose for November will just be $1, only because, well, the comments valued at $1, because there's just so much happening and I just really want to set my finances up for next year, which you guys will see over the next few videos, because yeah, it's exciting. Like, just imagine, you know, I don't have any you know, short-term loans, and all of my bill expense has been, hopefully majority of them have been paid like the whole year. So it's just exciting. Like, I don't know what to expect with my finances for next year, but I know that we will be stuffing a lot of fun stuff. So yeah. Okay, so sorry to ramble on. I'm just super excited, and it's just exciting to think what my finances will look like next year. So with the 12 days of giveaway challenge, I will be adding the last money, so 30, but also coins, 34. And it has already $40. So I have $74 in this challenge. So what I will be doing is I'm going to tick this off because I didn't do it before. So I added 40 and I've added 34. So 12 and a 22 makes 34. So we are done stuffing for week 2. Now the magic word for this video is presents. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think you're getting, or what you guys would like to receive as a gift from families and friends. For me, I probably would like to, I'm not too sure, to be honest. I haven't thought too much, but yeah. Anyway, I'll let you guys go and have a lovely day. Bye.